lang po kayong batiin ng happy birthday. I'm so excited na pauwi na po kayo nila Mami at ng mga bata. Hope to see you soon po. God bless! Bye-bye!
Happy 40th birthday, amigo! God bless you more and thank you so much sa lahat ng help, sa lahat ng pag-extend mo ng tulong dito sa atin, sa Pilipinas. Mabuhay kayo ni Tia Mami and see you soon. Happy birthday. God bless.
From the heart of the Philippines, happy birthday, Kuya Ruel. May you continue to help others and more blessings to come. Happy birthday. Cheers!
Hi Kuya Ruel, happy 40th birthday sa iyo. Naway pagkalooban ka pa ni God ng maraming kaarawan upang sa ganun ay mas marami mo pang matulungan kapwa Pilipino at sa pamilya ni Mami. Muli, maligayang bati sa iyo. Salamat!
Kuya, happy birthday from the bottom of my heart. Maraming salamat sa tulong at kahit papaano po na-appreciate nyo pa rin yung mga ginagawa namin dito sa Pilipinas dun sa ating charity. Maraming salamat po at happy birthday uli. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ruel. Sana i-bless pa po kayo ni Lord at sana marami pa po kayong matulungan ng mga Afrikano at mga Pilipino na rin. Happy birthday ulit!
Hi, Kuya Raul! Happy birthday! Naway humaba pang iyong buhay at maging good health. Health is wealth. Naway maging successful lang yung business na itatayo dito sa Pilipinas para marami ka pang matulungan na tao. Naway maging successful din ang mga anak mo balang araw. Si Kylie, graduating na. Si Kian, malapit na rin niya mag-aral. Yun lang. Salamat. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ruel. More birthdays to come. Stay safe always and stay healthy. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tito Roel. God bless you. We love you. Hope to see you soon.
And here's our message to you coming from the Bible verse, Numbers chapter 6, verse 24 to 26. And it says,
Numbers 6:24 to 26. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you praise.
and once again, happy birthday coming from us here in Canada!
Hello kapatid, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sir Ruel. God bless you.
Good morning, Ruel. Happy birthday. Wish ko sana maging healthy ka palagi at marami pang blessing na dumating sa buhay mo. At marami ka pa sanang matulungan na tao. Happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday at lagi ka mag-iingat.
Amigo, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and good health para sa'yo. At mag-iingat ka palagi dyan. See you soon. We love you.
Happy 40th birthday, Ruel. Wish ko sa'yo good health and more birthdays to celebrate. Take care and God bless.
Happy birthday, Daddy!
We wish you good health
And more birthdays to come.
Love you! See you soon!
Birthday ko ngayon mga amigo, kaya pagbigay niyo po ako. Share niyo naman yung ating video na to at nang maging masaya si Kuya Raul. Salamat po!